Family is working on the details of Beau Biden's funeral services. We could learn those details as early as today. Tamron.
Kristen, thank you. And Beau Biden's death is raising a number of questions about brain cancer and who is most at risk. Dr. Warren Selman is the chairman of the Department of Neurological Surgery at Cleveland University Hospital's Case Medical Center. Doctor, thank you so much for joining us. I heard a lot of people ask this question. Is there a way to tell if you are at risk for brain cancer? If there is a test, what is the answer to that?
Well, unfortunately, there's really no clear answer to that. Unfortunately, as I said, symptoms can occur in almost anyone, and I think the important thing is when something does occur, when you do have a new neurological deficit, that is a time to get checked out.
Dying at the age of 46 of brain cancer, with any disease, 46 seems so young, but when you look at the survival rate combined with his age, what does that tell us?
Well, we know that, unfortunately, brain tumors can present with a very aggressive type of growth, and it is very difficult to treat some of these types of tumors. And so I think all it tells us is, unfortunately, again, this was someone taken at the prime of life, and certainly our thoughts and prayers go out to the family.
Now, as I understand, unlike most cancers, there are no stages with cancer. Explain that to us.
Well, again, that's not exactly correct. There are two different types. So some of these can be lower forms of types of aggressiveness in the tumors, and they can then progress to the more malignant type. Other types can be what's called a grade 4 astrocytoma or glioblastoma, and unfortunately that is the type that too often takes people early in their life.
And indeed, and this is the case. Well, thank you so much for joining us, Doctor, with some insight. But as you pointed out, the most important thing at this hour is a family that's grieving and children who are now without their father. We greatly appreciate you joining us.
Thank you.
Developing now, Senator Lindsey Graham has just announced his run for